This is my Samsung refrigerator. I don't know the exact model, but you'll notice that the handle was ripped off. I'm going to try to put a picture of so that you can see what this looks like, but I had ordered 2 parts, and the 2 parts are right here. Actually right here. So you can see this one cracked, so I got a new part. And this one completely ripped out. And so I got a new part, and the part numbers were here we go. Material. I don't know if there's a part number on there or not. Yeah, here's the part number. It's right here. This one's for the left, so 57A. And this one is for the right or left. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to put it all back together and show you the process. All right, so the question is how does it work? How do you put it back together? All right, so here it is. So you have to have the spring on there first. Then this piece. And this is actually the pusher piece that pushes the frame to open up, to kind of an assist for the freezer door. So that slides through here. And then you need to get this piece, right there. Get this piece on there. So what I'm going to do is use my thumb to hold this. And this has to, see how that just slides over? And then you just release that. So when the handle gets pulled up, it actually will push against the frame and then help assist. My problem was that I yanked the handle directly out of here. All right, so next part. Okay, so this is the broken part. And this is all you're ordering is just this part. So you're gonna have to, don't throw this part away because you need that bar. Come on, focus. So, and that bar just slides right out. All right, before I install this, you have to get the pieces mounted to the handle. All right. It's worth noting that you do have a larger machine screw on the left, or on the inside, and a smaller machine screw on the outside. So this was the original piece that came with my freezer. See if you can get the part number. No. And then the OEM piece right from actually I ordered this from SamsungParts.com. And just a note, it took like 4 weeks to get this and 2 phone calls, but after the second phone call it was here in 2 days. So all right, and then I'm going to mount this and show you the remaining 4 screws and secure pieces that need to be put in. All right. Okay, we're on. All right, so this is my first attempt. So the springs go on. I'm gonna seat this piece in here. I'm gonna seat this piece. And I think I can do this individually, as long as I don't. So that's there, and then I'm not sure what the holdup is here. Okay. All right, so when you mount these holes are slotted so they can move left and right. So I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to move this one just a little bit this way because the bar is actually getting caught up. All right, I'm going to do that and we'll start all over. Okay, this is my second attempt. So again, we got to take and put the springs on. And then these pieces, these are the little pusher pieces. And I'm going to try not to get my shoulder in the way this time. So you can see both pieces going on, or both sides. All right, so I'm going to use my knee for support over here. I'm going to get this guy in. He's in. And let's get this guy in. So now, nothing's binding, so all right, so the handle's on. Let's get the retaining pieces put on. All right, bye. Oh, or until the next one. All right, so you have two separate pieces here. You have an inside piece and an outside piece. They're just nylon. I don't know if it matters one way or the other, but I think that the white nylon piece, hold on. Actually, I think we actually have, yeah, so the white fits in nicely on the outside, I think. The black on the inside. I don't know if I got those right. It doesn't seem like it fits right. Okay, so if you can see, it's got a little bit of a, and this is where that bar that we talked about earlier slides in, but I just feel it doesn't feel like it's seated up. Like it's seated right. It just doesn't feel like it's seated right. Oh, shoot. It just clicked. She just clicked in, didn't she? I guess I should have better prepared, because I think the black can only go on the inside. So you got two. So the black's on the inside, the white's on the outside. Now, the black, she kind of clicked in. Still works. So let's do it on this side then. So that's not. So over here, yeah, I don't like this. Okay, so I don't think, so that's wackadoo, man, because the white, okay, so this is the rule. If you're looking down at this, the white is on the right, the black is on the left. The white is on the right, the black is on the left. And then and essentially what they do is they hold the little bar in place. And then you have 4 metal screws. And I wouldn't over tighten these. I would just cinch them up and be done with it. All right. All right, the last step in the process is to cover these up, and they should, nope, they don't slide in. I think you just put them in like this, and snap them down. Get them off, you just lift up from the front edge and they'll just snap off. So let's get the other one on. Here we go. We'll get, so you see this, so you get that in, And we'll just give it a little boom. You know what? After ripping this out 3 or 4, I'm going to say 35 days ago, I think I'm going to have a happy wife. Okay, on to the next one.